Hello everyone, this is Tony Gross with Keller Williams Southwest. Today I have Robert from Hancock Mortgage. We're going to be going over the first things that you need to gather when you go into getting a mortgage. Robert, go ahead and talk a little bit about yourself and just go and elaborate on what I was talking about earlier, please.
Sure. As Tony did mention, my name is Robert. I'm with Hancock Mortgage Partners. I'm a senior loan officer there at Hancock. I've been in the industry for a little over 11 years now, and work with various type of home buyers and homeowners looking to refinance or purchase their first home, investment property, whatever the case may be. So good pointer for a first-time home buyer, kind of new to the process and everything. You want to provide your loan officer with as much information as possible. You want to be very transparent. This will give your loan officer an opportunity to identify what mortgage programs you qualify for or may not qualify for.
Right.
Also give them an opportunity to identify any potential red flags or issues that could come up in the underwriting process. So you want to be as transparent as you can with your loan officer. You always want to make sure that you provide as much documentation as you can. So you want to include your last 2 years' tax returns, all pages, all schedules, any W-2s and or 1099s that go with those tax returns. If you're a self-employed borrower, make sure to include your business returns as well. Even a year-to-date P&L and balance sheet is going to be required. So you want to make sure you have all of that up front. In addition, you also want to have your most recent pay stub or pay stubs. We're looking for a pay stub or pay stubs that have cover a 30 days, or you can call it a full month's of earnings. Those pay stubs need to have your year-to-date income on there. You also want to have your last 2 months' bank statements, all pages, even if they're blank. Those statements, you want to make sure they have your full name, bank's name, account number, and account balance. You also want to have to bring your valid photo ID and social security cards. You want to make sure to bring these even for your non-borrowing spouse. So if you have a husband or wife who's not going on the mortgage, make sure to bring that as well. It may be needed down the road in underwriting. In addition to that, if you own any other real estate or any other properties, you want to make sure that you provide documentation on those so that we can factor the net rental income or loss on those properties. So you want to provide mortgage statements, HOA letters documenting your annual dues, property tax statements, and insurance deck pages for those properties as well.
Okay, great. The next video we're going to be talking about the time length that it takes from day one when you first meet Robert to the day that you're closing. Once again, thanks for stopping by. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call or text us. We welcome questions. We love questions. So let us know that you're interacting with us. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you.